So this is a demo of the touchscreen control system for Bob's. Basically this screen controls the DirecTV system, the televisions, the sound system, and the shades for the restaurant. So this is just a demo to show you how this system works. So right here, let me zoom into that, is the power button. So if you hit that power button, we can go ahead and we can turn on and off the TVs or the DirecTV receivers. So if we go to the TVs, we have 8 TVs in the system. So we can turn them all on, or we can turn them all off. Or we can turn them on individually. By pressing the icon, we can turn TV number 2 on or off individually. Gives you a little bit more flexibility and control. So let's go back. We can do the same thing with the DirecTV receivers. We have 8 receivers, 8 televisions. Each receiver is dedicated to a television. But we can turn them all on, or we can turn them all off, or individually like before. Again, gives you more flexibility. So let's go back. That takes you back a page, or you can hit home anytime and take you to the home page. So let's go to the DirecTV receivers. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Okay, the satellite icon is the DirecTV receivers. So again, you have the TVs. So let's say we're going to select TV number 3, and that'll take us over to the DirecTV number 3 for television number 3. Now we can control what we want to watch. This is the preview screen, so we can actually preview what is coming out of DirecTV number 3. So you don't have to run over to the TV and see what's playing. You can actually see it right here. Preview it, make sure that you have exactly what you want on TV number 3. So if you have the channel number memorized, you can actually push the numbers on the keypad to go to that channel. Or if you don't, let's say it's a sports channel, just go to the sports icon, press that, and that gives you all the icons that you want for the sports channels. ESPN, ESPN2. Let's say you want Fox Sports Network West. So let's hit that one, and that'll send the actual TV channel command for that particular receiver for that channel. So you can go back and preview it on the screen to make sure that you got the channel you want. You can actually go to the guide as well by hitting the guide button, and that'll take you to the guide on the preview screen, and you can control the cursor using the up, down, right, and left, and enter button. Now if you want to see this full screen, you just tap on that guy there, and now you have the whole video for that channel coming out full screen. By tapping the screen again, it brings you back to the controls. You also have a channel up-down button and a menu and exit button. So it gives you all the controls you need. Now let's go back home. Now this particular customer wanted to control their shades, so we gave them a shades button, and now they have controls to control the shades for the bar or the dining room. You can put the shades up or down, and it's pretty basic. So we can go back or hit the home page, brings you back to home. And now we have the audio system. We're actually controlling the audio system from this perspective here. If you want to control the audio for the bar, you press that button. If you want to control the audio for the dining, you press that button. So let's go ahead and control the bar. So now we have another page, bar audio control, and we can select what we want to hear in the bar. Play network music, DirecTV audio. So if you're watching Super Bowl Sunday and you want to play it all over the bar, you can hit that and play the audio from the TV all over the sound system. Or if you want the radio, let's say there's a important news that's coming out and you want to listen to the radio, you can do that. Or if you have an iPod for custom programmed music, you can select that input. You also have your volume up and down and the mute. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And if you want the sound a little bit brighter or less brighter, you can adjust the treble and bass controls as needed. So you got treble up, down, or flatten it out. Or you can go bass up, down, and flatten it out. So you can custom tailor the sound as you like it. Okay, that's the bar audio control. We can back out of there. We can continue hitting back to get us to the home page, or we can just simply hit home page. Now we got the security. So let's say you don't want all your employees touching the screen and messing with the system. So you want to lock it out. So you hit this button, and now if you want access to it, you have to have the code. Most likely managers will have the code. So anybody can press buttons all they want, but they'll never get access to the system unless they know the code. So the code here is 7777. That brings you back up to the home page. And that's pretty much it. A very simple system. Thanks for watching.